At least 5 Chinese nationals were arrested for suspected espionage in Palawan. The National Bureau of Investigation said the suspects posed as Taiwanese tourists, and authorities believe that they are linked to the Chinese national earlier arrested in Makati.
Itong grupo nito, based on our surveillance, based on information, and based on extrajudicial confession of our witnesses, sila po ang nagmamanman doon sa Palawan. No? Naglagay po sila ng CCTV camera, a high-resolution solar-powered camera na nakapokus po sa ating dagat, kung saan dumadaan yung mga barko natin papunta sa West Philippine Sea at bumabalik. So monitored po.
Now, several IDs with fake identities were confiscated from the alleged spies who were seen in Palawan. The armed forces said the information that they gathered might be critical to our national security.
The information are actually being sent real-time tuwing nagre-resupply mission tayo. Pag alis pa lang nung barko natin, alam na nila. No? Meron kaming nakita at least 4 pa na mga CCTV na nakakalat po dun.
Yun.
Yung
Ito yung sinasabi mo kahapon.
The CCTV cameras were placed in areas na public property, hindi
Yes.
yung private
And
property nila.
walang permit.
Wala, yun nga. Yung public property, walang permit pa.
Walang
permit. Nakatutok pa sa pinaka-spot kung saan dumadaan yung barko mismo natin ng Coast Guard. So,
Yes.
kunyari, paalis pa lang ng port ang Philippine Coast Guard, nakaka-capture na ng CCTV. Ang point nito is kung hindi recorded yan at may live feed yan, alam kaya ng mga kung sino yung nanonood ng video, paalis pa lang yung Philippine Coast Guard, di ba?
Oo. Tapos, aside dun sa ibang mga, yung mga fake IDs, di ba kanina
Yes,
nabanggit dun sa report, may mga nakita daw ng mga telescope, drones, and communication devices. And if I remember it correctly, dun sa report kanina sa kabilang programa, may nakita rin daw silang iba pang mga devices na hindi naman daw mabibili online.
So, ewan ko na lang kung sabihin mo, nagkatrabaho for a company na naman. Kasi kung may links to the other guy who was capturing images
Tapos,
as well.
they have daw drones also.
Yes,
so, itong mga drones na to is taking picture or was taking pictures doon sa mga vessels. Na ipag-zoom in mo daw, those are the vessel ng Philippine Navy.
Yes, Philippine Navy.
Oo.
Yun. So parang yung movements ng Navy and Coast Guard natin are being monitored closely.
Parang constantly monitoring our Coast Guard.
Yun lang pala yung ano pa lang pag-install ng CCTV, that in itself is alarming on its own. Na without permits pa on public property, I'd understand that if you install CCTV sa bahay mo, okay lang, that's your property naman pero hindi, sa poste ka ng
So, tinitingnan nga daw ng
kuryente.
National Security Council yung kaugnayan nito kasi this operation was a follow-up from the operation that was held here in Manila. Di ba yung may na-arresto din na alleged Chinese spy na
Kay Teresita Angli na pinagtanggol niya.
Oo, pinagtatanggol ng nila Teresita Angli. And of course, ang kanyang abogado ay si
Topacio.
Kasi
Attorney
allegedly
Topacio.
may mga sinasabi din sila doon ng mga hindi tama na mga proseso na ginawa ng PNP sa kanila. But yun nga, sinasabi ng National Security Council, they're seeing the link between this and this recent arrest in Palawan. And they have evidence daw, they have information na that would link them daw into
What
spying.
would be interesting to see is in the coming days, makita natin are there bigger links between these people and other people as well. Baka maglabasan to, di ba?
Oo. Basta imbisigahan nila ng maayos para hindi naman tayo nagja-jump into conclusion.
Basta it's very worrisome to see that.
Importante yun. Kasi until now, it's all allegedly.
Yeah,
diba?
yun lang how could you defend installing CCTV cameras?
Yung yung sa akin din aside from that also yung mga fake IDs. Bakit may fake IDs?
Why do you have fake IDs? CCTV cameras pointed at kung saan dumadaan ang Coast Guard natin mismo. And yung CCTV mo is pointed at the sea. Kunyari sabihin mo,
Tsaka may mga locals nakakakita sa kanila nagte-take ng pictures saka mga nag-install daw ng
Tsaka kung may
CCTV.
property ka at may CCTV ka, pwede mong i-point yung camera sa property mo, naka-point sa dagat.
Yeah.
So, wala ka nang, ewan ko kung how do you explain that?
Oo.